So here is our mantle box with audio video enclosure and our new latch installed that was printed laser sintered stainless steel at Rapid Reproductions. So here is the latch mechanism with the button for release. Spring loaded. Get my camera to focus there. Laser sintered stainless steel latch, and then the catch for the strike plate. And these come together like that. And snap shut. I picked the parts up tonight. I sent the order in about, 30 days ago, and I asked them if they could help me save some money, and they added the parts to a build that they were doing, or the sintering process that they were already doing, so it didn't cost me quite as much. Not cheap, but these two parts were $80, but they'll last forever and they look great. Nice and tight. Worked really good.